Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge videos in Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful mobile video editing application developed by the Lightrix. It allows users to edit videos professionally directly on their smartphones. With Videoleap, you can cut clips and add effects, insert text, adjust colors, and also merge multiple videos into one single video. Merging video is useful when you want to combine several clips into one continuous video. And the process is simple and can be done in just a few steps. First, open to your Videoleap app on your device, and on the main screen you see the project and editing option. In the top we can find to this merge. When you slide over here, select to this merge here. Over here what you can do is you can either go to a library or you can also select one of the stocks. Over here you can select to this stock, and what you can do is you can also select multiple photos or the videos, and after that you can add to the project on the bottom. And over here on the editing timeline, your videos comes in a merged in one single clip. You can adjust the clips, you can trim, rearrange, add transitions, and after that you can preview the merged video. And merging videos in video clip is a simple process that involves importing multiple clips into a project and pasting them together on the timeline. By adding videos one after another, you can easily combine several clips into a single. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.